In this video, we will explore the various buttons and functions of DJI Mic 2. First, let's look at the names and functions of different parts of the transmitters. On the right side of the transmitter, there is a record button. Press once to start or stop recording. Pressing and holding it for 2 seconds can switch the operating mode of the transmitter. Above the record button, there is a data port, which serves the purpose of updating firmware after connecting to a computer, copying standalone recording files, and also for charging. And the link button is located on the upper right side. When connected to a mobile device, press once to take a photo or start or stop recording. Press and hold it to start linking. Below is the power button. Press and hold it to power on or off the transmitter. Press it once to enable or disable noise reduction. Receiver buttons. On the left side, there's a 3.5mm monitor port and a 3.5mm TRS output port. At the top, there's an OLED screen and a dial. On the home screen of the receiver, press once and then turn the dial to adjust the gain. The power button is on the right side of the receiver. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn the receiver on or off. When the receiver is on the home screen, press the power button once to lock or unlock the screen. The charging pins on the bottom connect to the charging case for charging. The expansion port is used to connect a mobile phone using the mobile device adapter. The data port, USB-C, can be used to connect to the computer for firmware update and charging. Cold shoe on the side allows the receiver to attach to the cold shoe of a camera.